Are you hiking all by yourself? What's that? Rock. You gonna throw it?
Big rock.
Big rock, that's right.
Baby.
You got a baby rock? Big rock and a baby rock? Pretty smart for 17 months old.
Please.
Yeah.
Please.
Please? Please what?
Stick.
Stick. That's right.
Boom.
Boom.
Please. Please.
Where's the baby rock? Is it the baby rock and the mama rock?
Baby. Baby.
Are you stacking them like blocks? Hike. Whoa, that's a very big rock. Can I have it? Thanks. Wow.
Well, what?
You just handed me a really big rock with one hand. Bam, bam.
Bam, bam.
That's it. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot the rock you gave me. You want to give it to me again? Give it to Daddy. Take that before he drops it on his toe. Aww.
He's like, wow.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Are you going to throw a rock, Oliver? Good one.
Baby.
Rock.
Baby rock.
Baby rock.
Is your mama in the picture with you?
Baby.
Yeah.
Baby.
Two babies?
Baby rock.
Baby rock.
Baby.
What are those? Leaves. You ready to hike some more?
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.